Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unlock the iPhone and confirm network access. Open Settings and go directly to Contacts or Accounts and Passwords on older iOS. You need your Apple ID or the email account credentials so contacts can sync, otherwise they won't appear. Once there, make sure Contacts is visible in the list and tap the account you plan to use. This begins the setup so your address book can populate from iCloud or another service. Now add or select the account that holds your contacts. Choose iCloud for Apple contacts or Google/Exchange for work and personal lists. Toggle Contacts to On, that tells iOS to sync that account's address book. Make sure Fetch or Push settings are appropriate. Push gives near-instant updates, Fetch checks at intervals. If prompted, sign in and grant permission to access contacts. Doing this connects the remote data with your phone app so entries appear. Finish by opening the Contacts or phone app to confirm contacts loaded. If you still see none, check Settings Contacts Default Account to ensure the right source is selected. You can force a refresh by toggling contacts off for that account, waiting a few seconds, then toggling it back on. If that fails, sign out of the account and sign back in, or reboot the iPhone. These steps reinitiate sync and resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.